everyone, my name is Rukhsana and again I am here with another video. In this video, I am going to discuss about the second part of jam session. If you are new to this channel and you don't know what is jam, so now I am going to share a link of my previous video where I have discussed about the jam. Simply, you have to click on the I button and you can watch my previous video and you can understand what is jam and what we have to do in this. So now let's move into our further videos, and our today's topic is online shopping. I don't think I need to define this word because we all know what is online shopping, and whatever we search or buy like food, groceries, clothes, shoes, etc. with the help of online platform which is called online shopping. And there are hundreds of online platforms like Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart from where we do online shopping. Nowadays online shopping is on boom because everyone wants to consume their time and everyone wants to live in a comfort, because in online shopping you don't need to go anywhere. What you need is internet and one device like mobile or laptop by which you can place your order and the delivery person deliver your goods at your own place. If I talk about the payment mode, so you can pay at the same time to use Paytm or net banking, or you can do cash on delivery also. There are some pros and cons in online shopping. Like in online shopping, you can get more discount as compared offline shopping. But on the other side, some company doesn't have good policy regarding refund or exchange the product. And sometimes we get bad quality of product also. So at last we can say that in online shopping you can save your time and you can save money in terms of discount. But we can't be sure that whatever we are going to get, it will be in a good quality or in a good condition also. So that's all enough for today. I hope you really liked my videos and you learned something by it. If yes, so please do practice on a daily basis, because without effort you can't achieve anything. If you think that these topics are very difficult for you, so you can choose easy one like book, pen, friend, anything. But you have to speak on that topic for a 1 minute. And after some time you will see some progress in yourself. And you will also be able to speak in English. But you have to do effort for this. So in the end, I just want to thank you to all of you to watch my videos. And please appreciate me to hit the like button. And please subscribe my channel if you think that I can help you to improve your English or improve your communication. And please press the bell icon also, so that whenever I upload my new videos, you will get the notification first. So bye guys, I will meet you soon in my next videos. Till then, take care and keep learning.